deep pink. Let's draw the mysterious UFO. First, draw the UFO body. Deep, deep pink. Black. Black. Now draw the cabin. Good. Now draw an antenna for your UFO. Draw 5 round windows. Super! What you have left is to draw an engine. You did it! The UFO is ready to launch.